Hey, this is Andy from Because We Nomad, and lately the weather's been pretty cold outside, so I'm going to go clean the chimney for the wood burning stove so Evie and I can have a nice warm night, and gonna get out there and go get it. And I'm going to take you guys up the ladder with me here so we can get this chimney swept out. I'm going to speed this up so it goes by a lot quicker. Let's get some wood chopped up so we can have a good fire tonight. Alrighty, we got some chopped wood for the house and ready for a wood burning fire tonight. And I'm taking a little bit of time to just relax, take in the sunset, and enjoy the evening. Cooking up a little dinner, and I've got some pork chops, onions, and potatoes, little mini potatoes, should be good. Enjoying the campfire. Even though it's propane, I still love the warmth of this and just the glow down after the sun dropped. And I got a nice wood fire going to eat dinner by, and just chilling with Evie. And here we are, this is the next morning. Hello, today I'm gonna make a new window cover for my front window on the bus. And this is made out of Reflectix. I got a big roll here of the 48-inch stuff. And I don't know if you guys have noticed lately, but they started making this cheaper Reflectix material. It's really thin that Home Depot and a bunch of companies sell now. Unfortunately, it's really hard to find the thick original stuff, which is actually about a 1/4 inch thick. And it makes a big difference. This is a lot stiffer. It actually stays in the window. Hard to find nowadays for some reason. I think the manufacturer might have stopped making it. Anyway, I'm going to take my old piece here. This is the piece from the bus, and this is the front window of the bus, and I'm going to use this as a template and just lay it over the top of that and draw with a Sharpie pen and get this guy marked out and cut it out and have a new, clean, healthy, strong window cover. And once again, let's do this in fast motion. Alright, and there's that Reflectix in the window, looking good. And that helps keep privacy and keep the heat in, and in the summertime it keeps the heat out. And it's really nice having that in the windows. Alright, heading up the road and gonna pick up a couple items at one of my favorite stores here in town. And then after that, we're gonna go, me and Evie, we're gonna go check out the Bus Kings. They're traveling through the area right now. And so we're gonna go catch their show and then have some fun tonight. Even though the big white tent is down now, it's still pretty busy in Quartzsite. Lots of traffic here. It's a Saturday, so you know, everybody's swirling around trying to get to their next location. Got a good deal on crackers. Found a couple drinks down there too. All sorts of goodies in this store. Alrighty, let's get this bus packed up. We're gonna head down the road here and go to the Bus King show. They asked me if I could do video of their show, and so we're gonna go there, do that, and have some fun and see this great band. Okay, we're moving the bus. A lot of work just to move the bus over there, but it's the only way to take care of Evie, so gotta do it. That way she can be comfortable and not have to worry about her.
Carry me home. so right. Titties in the wind. Put them titties in the wind. If you don't know what I'm talking about, when the full moon bright and titties come out. Titties in the wind. Put them.
Thanks for watching this episode. This is Andy from Because We Nomad. And if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe right over here. And I drop a new video every Sunday, so please check it out, and I'd appreciate it.